So this is it. We just finished the amazing Big Bake-Off in a big baking tent here at Taste of Abu Dhabi. I have to say it was a very difficult judgment. The standards were very, very high, mostly considering the heat we have here today, and they have to transport the cake across the whole festival. But we had a great team of judges as well from the ICCA, and everybody was very fair. And we had 3 winners, one top winner and 2 winners. It was all about, obviously, the decoration, the standard, but as well about the flavors. Because remember, a taste needs to look good, but even more important, it needs to taste good. And I have to say the winner was all around, and we all agree on that final cake, on that final winner. And I'm sure she's going to become probably a top pastry chef after a fantastic course she just won this evening. So see you next year for another competition.